Hey y'all, check this out, man. I got to be a thing from the past or some shit like that because, man, I didn't even know Whole Food sold a lot of organic like vegetables and fruits and stuff. Now we're about to jump into my famous 4 veggie. So this what we gonna make, y'all. I got some pink salmon right here. I got some olives. Now from what I researched, it says black olives pretty much are the best over green. Once we get everything mixed in, you know, the veggies with the meat and everything, we're gonna add some famous sweet baby rays to it. Garlic buffalo. I just really grabbed this, man. I really just seen it. It stood out and I just snatched it. Like I say, they got those organic onions. And I learned something about the numbers. If you see that number that start with a 9. Hold on. If you see that number that start with a 9, Dr. Bobby Price informed me about that number. You know, he got his own YouTube channel, he a black doctor, and he said that's another way you can tell if it's organic. It gonna have a high 9 number instead of like a 3 or a 4 or something like that. Got the old mushroom. Now I heard these mushrooms are packed with vitamin D. So like during the winter time, if you ain't outside sucking up some sun, you know, you can get on these mushrooms to get you some vitamin D. More organic. Now you gotta have that celery when you're making a type of salad like we making that pink salmon, so it can get that crunch going. Then it's like a green. I guess it's part of the green leaf family. I don't know. And then we're gonna have that in there, and then this. Cause like I say, man, this the thing. Now, true enough, I eat me a slice of pizza from Racetrack every now and then, a cheeseburger, may get a container of chicken strips. But damn it, I ain't gonna eat no chicken and hamburgers and cheeseburgers every day. Sometimes you gotta put some good stuff in your body. Bell peppers and garlic, you know what I'm saying? Put that pink salmon in there, you know what I'm saying? So let's get to it, let's go and make this thing. make the perfect dip. Then you got your olives in there. You got your celery. You got a touch of garlic. You know what I'm saying? You got the salmon itself. You got the bell pepper. A lot of stuff that gonna give you energy, man. Like, it's okay to eat you a greasy cheeseburger, eat you a chicken plate every day, but be sure to put these veggies in your system. That ain't never like a high power energy lunch by me being at work. That's a big ass bowl too. It might last about 3-4 days. It depends on how greedy I get. I could have used one more can of pink salmon. But that's how you make your 4 veggie pink salmon salad. Or you can turn it into a dip. You can add some shredded cheese. You know, put you about 4 or 5 nice vegetables that's good for your organs. Put that in there. I'ma holler at y'all.